The Umkhonto weSizwe Party's Member of Parliament, Nomvalo, tells Julius Malema where to get off in a heated exchange that took place in the Parliamentary Ad Hoc Committee that investigating the matters and allegations that were made by Ndlatla Mkhwanazi of infiltration in the South African Police Service. Let us listen.
If people have got a problem with the MK party, they must raise that elsewhere. It's not us who said people must lose elections. It's not the MK, it's not us who said people must get 1% in KZN and be voted only by their girlfriends, their candidates, and not receive any votes from anyone. So they must not come and express their anger here in the ad hoc committee, because we can do that as well. There is no mouth here which speaks a lot of nothing. If there's anything that does a lot of nothing, is a nose that can't even control Mafinyila. Not a mouth that speaks a lot of nothing. Everything that we have spoken here as the MK party is in line with the terms of reference. It's in line with the terms of reference. Chair, if anything, we will never be bullied here. If people have been thriving through bullying, they are not going to bully us. We're not going to allow that. We're talking to you, we have no interest of talking to anyone about the guidance that we request from you and the protection that we request from you. So can we be protected, Chair? Because we will be tempted to respond.
Thank you so
For
much.
as long as they provoke us, we will respond.
Thank you so
Fearlessly so.
Honorable members, let me do this. Let me tell you,
No,
because
Chair.
I will give you a chance to speak. Let me
No,
say
on a point of order, I just want to make one point very clear.
point of order.
You see, the problem is when you deal with anti-intellectuals.
No, but he is out of order. I'm also raising a point of order, Chair. I'm raising a point of order.
I'm
These are
ruling.
small-
On a point
these are
of order,
small boys
Chairperson,
that
on a
have
point of
engaged-
order.
I've engaged their
On a
father
point of order, Chair.
long before
Chair,
they
on a
arrived
point
here.
of order. On a point of order,
When they were still
Chairperson.
looking after
On a point
cows
of order, Chairperson.
in the villages
He
of
continues to
Mzimkhulu.
say nothing. He
I was
says a
dealing
lot
with
of
their
nothing.
father here.
He can't even
Yeah.
control Mafinyila.
They can't do anything.
He can't
Small
even
boys.
control Mafinyila.
Control
That's
your-
the only thing.
control your weight.
We're going to speak, Chair, for as long
Control
as
your weight.
We're
At
not
least
going
control
to
your
be
weight.
bullied by Malema
And
here.
and buy
We're
the
not
right
going
size
to be
of
bullied
clothes.
by you. We're not your boys. We're not your fans here,
control your
Malema.
weight and
We
buy
are
the
not
right
your
size of
fans
clothes.
here.
Okay,
You think what these boys were carrying bags for you?
Okay,
That's
okay.
fair.
We're not your fans here.
fair to speak
We
to
are
kill
not
you
your
in your
fans. We
sleep.
are going to confront you.
Honorable
We will
Malema.
confront you.
to kill
We
you
will
in your
confront you. We will confront you.
Honorable
We are not
Malema,
your fans here.
Honorable Nomvalo.
We're not your fans here.
Honorable members, may
We're going to confront him.
May you please listen to me, honorable
We're going to
members.
confront him. We're not his fans.
I
We're not
request,
these boys who are carrying bags for him.
honorable members, I request.
Control your weight.
You are not going to bully us. You
Control
are
your
not
weight.
going
I
to bully
request that
us,
you
Malema.
listen-
We're not
you
going to be
listen to me.
bullied by you. We'll never be bullied by you.
Okay, so there was a heated exchange in the Parliament's Ad Hoc Committee when Julius Malema attacked the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. This compelled the Member of Parliament from Umkhonto weSizwe Party, Nomvalo, to respond to Julius Malema and tell him where to get off in his face. I think it was long overdue. It was long overdue that someone had to tell Julius Malema where to get off. Because somehow Julius Malema walks around thinking he's some sort of a demigod. Of course, this comes from the fact that members of the cultish followers of the EFF are worshipping Julius Malema. Therefore, he, for some reason, now expects everyone to worship him, even when he's talking nonsense. So Nomvalo put Julius Malema in his place, and it had to be done. Thank you guys for tuning in. My name is Tebs Kosana. The name of the platform is Izwi Labansundu, the Voice for Africans. Thank you very much, guys.